to Little Tunes TV.
Slow and joyful melody, perfect for learning and fun. A is for alligator, snapping wide. B is for bear, who loves to hide. C is for cat, so soft and sweet. D is for dog with dancing feet. Let's sing our ABCs, hooray! Animals help us learn and play. Clap your hands and sing along, learning letters with this song. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who hops all day. G is for giraffe, tall and kind. H is for horse, who loves to find. Let's sing our ABCs, hooray! Animals help us learn and play. Clap your hands and sing along, learning letters with this song. I is for iguana, green and small. J is for jaguar, strong and tall. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion with the mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for newt, near the tree. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for panda, black and white. Let's sing our ABCs, hooray! Animals help us learn and play. Clap your hands and sing along, learning letters with this song. Q is for quail, quick and neat. R is for rabbit, hopping feet. S is for snake, who slides around. T is for tiger, strong and sound. U is for unicorn, shining bright. V is for vulture, in the skies light. W is for whale, who sings a tune. X is for fox, beneath the moon. Y is for yak,